Hello. My name is Rumina Stuffington.
Well, it's not.
And I am a textiles artist.
When I'm not raging against the machine.
No! Don't mangle it! You'll probably find me in the garden. Or out with my chickens.
Nanami, what are you doing? You're out of containment. Back it.
Quarter. Or on days when I have sufficient brain power, you might find me pretending I still know my intermediate Japanese. What the heck is Mizu? And I can't promise you anything, except for this.
The Rumade channel charter. 1. No sponsorship deals for stuff I don't believe in.
You're not going to find me shilling pink coloured shampoo or stupid audiobook subscriptions just for a cheap buck.
2. No begging for subscriptions, comments, or likes.
All of my videos are free from requests to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell, except for this one. Subscribe to me, please.
3. I promise to stay true to myself and only produce content that aligns with who I am.
I'm a crusty, stinky swamp dweller, and you're probably not going to find a video entitled How to Make Money from Real Estate on this channel anytime soon. So if that sounds like something you can get behind, stick around. Or don't. I don't care. Bye!